bwe yandaga ebyobuzika bwe nali ebuloba era kati nayiga omutima gwange bwe naseeringa abalala mubireteeze nasiringa mukirama kikubayo lwe ndisiringa siri mukitinga baby panise zawampambye Kachumbari, ulirondeka wondeka momu sumari, ongeza labu chirakari, andeka wa manyeti na kuna tari. Alika chatika, magarira dala dala siri mukatika, unamupata portaro rataka. Uliranga ya kazari walero, yangu woteka masari mangero.
Ataka bana
muhulira
Nang'ambi oli muyembe nandi kuyise mbosera
wanji
naye mama mubawala yego sinabasusuti omanyi embosera wesuke nnyo wefuuke embosera olinga kyakunywa nnyabo ozijukiza guno omuyembe
eyo kwaya bagiyita
ogenda bampera 95 ge baleke
omukwano Presi banange tukwagala nnyo baba kukyantugenda ngamba kyama envugano getuleese nga bwe gali amagonvu naye bwali omugonvu naye asaba omwagale era omugondere naawe ajja kukwagala era ajja kugonderanga
erenfu ligondanga nsujjo.
Hi Nabosa, Presi.
Hi.
You look so gorgeous and cute. We welcome it our family. We love you, we adore you, cherish you. My brothers have sent me with these flowers as you see them. There are so many colors, but there is this yellow color here and this red color. But for me, I will must talk about this red color. Everybody are using this red color here. Are you seeing this yellow color here?
Yes. Are you
seeing this red color here?
Yes.
Presi, you are in the blood of Peter. Hold this flower from today till death. Do your part with Peter. You are his blood.
Kati nebwe mukomawo kasayi kuweddeyo kale kakati mugolokoke babaweeyo ekifaananyi kimu wano Princess Samira ekifaananyi ekyo bwe kiggwa yagenda kutandika nga bakuba ekifaananyi muviireyo kayimba mukomewo eno kale Selector Sula mweteeke mu kifaananyi awo Rosa
Nabosa nawe ojja kusituka otyo. Mwebale nnyo.
Era kakibeeremu.
Ne ba best man naye bw'atyo.
Selector Sula.
Twagala kifaananyi.